What I do like about this type of strap is the actual spring clip is captive. So quite often when you used to, if they're free, if you put them in, you don't get them quite in right, and it flicks out, the actual spring clip pings out, and then you're playing hunt the spring clip. What it's got is a little lever here, which you can put a tool in, or you can do it with your finger quite happily, that you can press down on, and that's releasing the spring. So to put it in, it is as simple as get one end in, hold it where it needs to go, press that lever down, move the spring clip in, and then just move it around till it finds the hole, and then that's it, captive.